Today I will show you how to remove the AI overview from Google Chrome search results on Windows 11. This can be useful if you only want to see standard web results without the AI-generated summaries. This can be useful in a school setting. To do this, open Chrome, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen, then click on Settings. Select Search Engine from the left-hand menu. Now click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Next, click on Add next to Site Search. Enter the following details: name, no Google AI, shortcut, no AI, URL, add the following URL, I will leave it in the description. Click Add. Now click the three dots next to no Google AI and select Make Default. Let's test it. As you can see, I no longer get the AI summaries in my search results. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video.